guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Little T. Okay, so we're going to start off. All of the stuff we have is free, except the furniture, that's not free. But I'm just going to wash my hands because we will be handling raw meat. And so this furniture isn't free, but all of the food in this you can get completely free. Some of the recipes I'm going to do today contain completely free items. So all of them are free, so you can get them even if you're just starting out on the game, which is what I found really useful. So should we begin? Let's see. Let's start rolling. So the first recipe is the first recipe is going to be a good old-fashioned burger. Lots of people like burgers, and it's probably one of the most well-known foods in the world. So this is why I said you need to wash your hands, but otherwise this is so nice. So I really recommend it. But for those vegetarians out there, we should make a veggie burger, because that is what's coming up next. So this veggie burger is just made with tomato and a bun, and it looks so nice, and it's just like the real thing. And so on to the next recipe. Okay, this is a sausage roll or a corn dog. I'm really not sure actually, which is kind of weird. But let's see, and actually, yeah, that looks really good in real life. And yeah, my Tucker character likes it too. Okay, so let's see, the next recipe is, I'm showing you 7 recipes today. That cup is empty, but this one has tons of food in it. So this and cheese makes this, which I think is a little bit like a roast. So let's try it. Let's see if it's nice, because it is only made with meat and cheese. Oh no, my food! It tastes a bit soapy. Let's go on to the next recipe and not put it in the dishwasher this time. Let's see. The next recipe is a cheesecake. It's more of like a healthy cheesecake for people that like that. I actually think healthy desserts is a pretty cool concept. I haven't found one I liked. And let's try this one. That looks like a drippy cheesecake. That's quite nice. Now let's see the next one. Let's see what this is for. Oh no, I messed up. I meant to put an apple instead of fish. 1 second. I'll just get everything right again. Okay, yeah, that was a mess up on my part. I'm sorry about that. I meant to put an apple, but I actually put fish. But the next recipe does contain fish. And all these recipes look quite fancy, except maybe from the burger. That looks quite nice. I don't know about you, but I kind of keep a little recipe book with me. Tucker. I nearly put my food in the dishwasher, but let's go on to the next recipe. I'm really not sure what number it is. I'm 6. But for the fans of pasta out there, pasta can combine with almost anything, and this is chicken pasta. I haven't tried it in real life, but there is tofu pasta too. Actually, bonus recipe, tofu pasta. So you've just got to get the pasta from the home editor, then you've just got to get the tofu. And then if you put the tofu with the pasta, it looks quite nice and is an amazing vegetarian alternative. Okay, let's see. Now this is what I actually meant to do. Apple and sugar makes an apple pie. So I think that is the last recipe for today, if I'm not wrong. But bye, and cut the cameras, Dad. Do it. Cut the cameras.